The original design of the SuperStar was created over 30 years ago, which laid the groundwork for many of the windshield repair tools that GT produces today. That windshield repair technology, although being very, very simple, is something we wanted to make even easier for the technician in today's era. With that technology, we wanted to allow a technician to pull the tool out of the box and get right to work. Creating this new technology can be a daunting task. With our internal engineering, CNC machining, and testing, we were able to take this technology from paper to production. To prove this technology, our team spent countless hours of design, modeling, prototyping, and testing. This resulted in a robust, simple, bulletproof design incorporating our SpeedLock technology. Backed by a limited lifetime warranty, the SuperStar SpeedLock injectors are precision machined using 304 stainless materials designed to provide decades of reliability. Our SpeedLock technology utilizes a multi-position locking injector, allowing for a simple and easy transition between vacuum and pressure, producing consistent, professional, high-quality repairs every time. Simplify your windshield repair with GT Tools.